Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a smart IoT device with TensorFlow Lite and a Raspberry Pi is an exciting project that combines hardware and machine learning. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a simple smart IoT device that can perform image classification using a camera. Prerequisites. 1. Hardware requirements *. Raspberry Pi, preferably Raspberry Pi 3 or later. Raspberry Pi camera module or USB camera. microsd card, with Raspbian OS installed. Power supply for Raspberry Pi. Internet connection. 2. Software requirements *. Python 3. TensorFlow Lite. opencv, for image processing. Other Python libraries, example numpy, picamera for Raspberry Pi camera. Step 1, setting up Raspberry Pi. 1. Install Raspbian OS *. Download the Raspbian image from the official Raspberry Pi website, https://www.raspberrypi.org/software. Use software like Balena Etcher to flash the image onto the microsd card. Insert the microsd card into the Raspberry Pi and boot it up. 2. Connect to Wi-Fi *. Use the Raspberry Pi desktop interface or configure the wpa_supplicant.conf file to connect to your Wi-Fi network. 3. Update the system *. Step 2, install required libraries. Open a terminal and run the following commands to install the necessary packages. Install TensorFlow Lite. You will need to install TensorFlow Lite. Since TensorFlow Lite is not available directly via pip for Raspberry Pi, you can use the precompiled version. 1. Download the TensorFlow Lite runtime. Step 3, prepare your TensorFlow model. 1. Train a model *. Use TensorFlow to train a model on your PC or another machine. As an example, you can train an image classification model on the Safar 10 dataset. 2. Convert the model to TensorFlow Lite format *. 3. Transfer the model to Raspberry Pi *. Use SCP or a USB drive to transfer the model.tflight file to your Raspberry Pi. Step 4, capture and classify images. 1. Set up the camera *. If you're using a Raspberry Pi camera, enable it using raspbian. 2. Create Python script *. Create a file named image_classifier.py and add the following code. Step 5, run the application. 1. Make sure your camera is connected and enabled. 2. Run the script. 3. The application will open a window displaying the camera feed and the predicted class of the objects in the frame. Press Q to exit. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've built a smart IoT device using TensorFlow Lite and Raspberry Pi that can classify images in real time. This project can be expanded in many ways, such as integrating it with a web application, sending notifications, or controlling other devices based on the classifications. Feel free to explore more about TensorFlow Lite and Raspberry Pi to enhance your device's capabilities.